Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in previous class we have discussed from question number 1 to question number 4 of exercise 3A. Now in today's class, let's start with the question number 5. Question number 5 is, just by looking at the following numbers, give reasons why they are not perfect squares. Students, when I explained you the properties of the squares, in those one property was that any number having unit digit as 2, 3, 7 and 8, right? Any number ending with these digits can never be a perfect square. Clear? So this number is ending in 7 and we know that the natural number ending in the digit 2, 3, 7 and 8 are not perfect square. So we can say that 2367 is not a perfect square. Right? Next part is 57,000. In this part, we don't have 2, 3, 7 and 8 at the unit place. Unit place means ones place. So this can be a perfect square. ये perfect square हो सकता है. But in the properties of square, there were one more property. एक और property थी that the number of zeros at the end of perfect square is always even. जो number of zeros होती हैं वो perfect square में always even होंगी. There are 4 zeros in this number, so this can be a perfect square. But in this given number, we have 3 zeros and 3 is an odd number, right? So this can never be a perfect square. So we know that the number ending in an odd consecutive zeros are not perfect square. So this 57,000 is not a perfect square. Clear? Next question, question number 6. What will be the unit digit of the squares of the following number? You have two methods to find the unit digit in the square. First method, आप क्या करेंगे? 539 का स्क्वायर फाइंड आउट कर लेते हैं. 539 स्क्वायर मीन्स you will multiply 539 by itself. Clear? But this is a very lengthy process. You just need unit place. आपको पूरा आंसर तो नहीं चाहिए, तो आप क्या करेंगे? You will just multiply the unit digits. आप unit digits को ही multiply कर लो. Clear? 9 9s are 81 and unit digit means the digit at one's place. So at one's place there will be 1. Clear? So the unit digit will be 1, right? You don't need to multiply the whole numbers. By squaring the last digit, you can easily find the unit digit. Clear? Let's do some more parts. You want to find the unit digit in the square of this number. So what will you do here? You will simply find the square of the digit which is at unit place, which is 3. So you will find the square of 3. 3 square means 3 multiply 3. 3 3s are 9. So unit digit will be 9. Very simple. One more part. You want to find the unit digit in the square of this number. So simply find the square of the digit which is at the unit place. At unit place, at one's place we have 7. So find its square. 7 7s are 49. So unit digit will be 9. Unit digit cannot be 49. Why? Because 49 is a number. Digit क्या होती है? सिंगल सिंगल होती है, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is a number, right? So ones place पर we have 9. So unit digit will be 9. Clear? One more part. You want to find the unit digit in the square of this number. So find the square of the digit which is at ones place. At ones place we have 8. So find the square of 8. 8 8s are 64. Right? So unit digit will be 4. Very simple. So this is your answer. In next one, digit at the unit place is 0 and the square of 0 will be 0 multiply 0 means 0, right? So the unit digit is 0. Very easy. Next question number 7. Fill in the blanks. Use property of square numbers, right? They are asking to find the value of this 19 square minus 18 square and they said to use the property of square. आपके पास एक मेथड क्या था कि आप 19 का स्क्वायर निकालते, 19 मल्टीप्लाई 19, 18 का स्क्वायर निकालते, 18 मल्टीप्लाई 18, देन क्या करते, इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते. बट यहाँ पर उन्होंने क्या बोला है, यूज द प्रॉपर्टी. इफ यू हैव रिमेंबर देयर वाज अ प्रॉपर्टी दैट n प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू n प्लस 1 प्लस n, right? So can we write this in the form of n plus 1? If this is n, अगर 18 n है, we can write it as 18 plus 1 minus 18. Now this is in the form of, अगर ये n है, n plus 1 minus n and here the power is 2, right? So we have written this in the form of n plus 1 का square minus n square. And what is its value? Right? n plus 1 is 18 plus 1 plus n. n is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19 plus 18 which is equals to 37. Clear? This was the first part. That's why I have shown the lengthy process. Otherwise this was very easy. Simply आप check कर सकते थे. 18 अगर n है, this can be written as n plus 1. मतलब 18 plus 1 19. So simply you will add these two numbers 19 और 18 को add करना था. Clear? This one. If 86 is n, अगर n क्या हो, 86 हो, then n plus 1 क्या होगा, 86 plus 1 is 87. Right? So this is in the form of n plus 1 का स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर. तो आप क्या करोगे, सिंपल नंबर्स को ऐड कर दो, 87 प्लस 86. Clear? When you will add them, what will you get? You will get 173. Very simple. Clear? Now the question number 8. Without adding. अब उन्होंने क्या बोला है, ऐड नहीं करना. Match the sum in column A with the perfect square in column B. This is the column A and this is the column B. They said इनको मैच करना है column B की accurate value से. Clear? They have added some values और इन्होंने क्या बोला है कि हमें add नहीं करना. Right? So there was a property of square that when we add odd numbers, अगर हम n odd numbers को add करते हैं, we can find the sum by the n square. Clear? Here we are adding 1 2 3 4 5 first 5 odd numbers को add कर रहे हैं. first 5 ही है ना, बीच में से कोई missing नहीं है. 1 3 5 7 9. first 5 का odd number का sum equal होगा n square means 5 का square which is 25. So ये किसके equal आ जाएगा? This will be equals to 25, right? नेक्स्ट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 first 8 odd numbers we are adding, so this will be equals to 8 square. That means 8 8s are 64. Match it with 64. Next you are adding first 3 odd numbers, right? So 3 square means 3 3s are 9. So add this third part with 9. In next you are adding 1 2 3 4 5 6. First 6 odd numbers, so this is equals to 6 square. 6 6 are 36. Match it with 36. In the last one you are adding 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You are adding first 10 odd numbers, so 10 square means 10 tens are 100. So match this last part with the 100. Student, this is only feasible in that case if any odd number is not missing. ये क्या होने चाहिए, सीक्वेंस पे होने चाहिए, मिड से कोई ऑड नंबर मिसिंग नहीं होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ट्रिपलेट आर पाइथागोरियन? फर्स्ट यू नीड टू रिकॉल दैट व्हाट आर पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स. पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स होता क्या है, इफ 3 नंबर्स m n and p are given, then m square plus n square should be equals to p square. So you can check it by using this condition. आप क्या कर सकते हैं, 10 का स्क्वायर करो प्लस 24 का स्क्वायर करो and that should be equals to the square of 26, right? But in the properties you have studied the property of Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet की एक condition होती है that Pythagorean triplets are always in the form of 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1, right? That means first number हमेशा क्या होगा, 2m होगा, second m square minus 1, थर्ड क्या होगा, m square plus 1. सो इफ फर्स्ट नंबर इज 2m, अगर हम मान ले फर्स्ट नंबर क्या है, 2m है, मतलब 2m किसके इक्वल है, 10 के इक्वल है. सो 2m 10 के इक्वल कब होगा, जब m क्या होगा, 5 होगा. 5 बिकॉज 2m किसके इक्वल है, 10 के इक्वल है. सो 2m मीन्स 2 मल्टीप्लाई m, तो m किसके इक्वल आ गया, 5 के इक्वल आ गया. सो फ्रॉम हियर m इज इक्वल्स टू 5, राइट. नेक्स्ट वैल्यू चेक करते हैं, m स्क्वायर माइनस 1, 5 स्क्वायर, m की वैल्यू क्या है, 5, m स्क्वायर माइनस 1. सो 5 स्क्वायर मीन्स 25 माइनस 1, दिस इज 24, विच इज इक्वल्स टू द नेक्स्ट नंबर. नेक्स्ट नंबर ही आ रहा है, थर्ड नंबर शुड बी m स्क्वायर प्लस 1. सो m स्क्वायर प्लस 1, right? m is 5, 5 square plus 1, 5 square means 5 5s are 25 plus 1 means 26, right? So first number was 2m which is 10, second number was m square minus 1, m square minus 1 is equals to 24, and third number was m square plus 1 which is equals to 26, and which they have given in the triplet. ट्रिपलेट में भी यही गिवन है, 10 24 26. दैट मीन्स दिस इज अ पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. क्लियर, बिकॉज 2m m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 m स्क्वायर प्लस 1 के अकॉर्डिंग भी यही वैल्यू आएंगी जो हमें गिवन है, राइट. सो दिस इज द पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट. लेट्स डू द वन मोर पार्ट. पाइथागोरियन ट्रिपलेट्स आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 2m m स्क्वायर माइनस 1 m स्क्वायर प्लस 1. फर्स्ट इज 2m, 2m किसके इक्वल है, 18 के. 2 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 18 आएगा, 9 ना. तो m की वैल्यू यहाँ से क्या आ गई, 9 आ गई, m इज इक्वल्स टू 9. आपको अगर नहीं समझ आ रहा तो आप क्या करो, फर्स्ट वैल्यू को 18 को 2 से डिवाइड कर लो, तो आपके पास m की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 2 9 18, राइट. नाउ m इज इक्वल्स टू 9. क्लियर, 2m इज इक्वल्स टू 2 multiply m, that means 2 multiply 9 which is equals to 18, right. m square minus 1 की वैल्यू निकालते हैं, m means 9, so 9 square minus 1. 9 square means 9 9s are 81 minus 1, which is 80. Right? M square plus 1 is equals to, value of m is 9. 9 square plus 1, 9 9s are 81 plus 1, which is equals to 82. Right? So according to this condition, first number should be 18, second should be 80, third should be 82. Here first number is 18. They also have given 18. Second number is 80, but they have given 79. So this is not justifying this condition, right? So this is not the Pythagorean triplet. 18, 79, 82 is not the Pythagorean triplet. Clear? This is your answer. Now we have some multiple choice question. Which is not a perfect square? Perfect square कौन सा नहीं है? Clear? So students, आपको पता ही है, किसी भी नंबर के एंड में अगर 2, 3, 7 and 8 आ जाए, that number is not a perfect square. Here in this number we have 8, so this is not a perfect square. This is your answer. Option C is correct. Next one, the smallest number by which 980 must be multiplied so the product is a perfect square. In such question, what were you doing? आपने किए है ना ऐसे क्वेश्चन पहले भी. So what do? You simply find the factors. आप क्या करते हैं, पहले factors find out करते हैं. 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 0. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. 5 4s are 20, 5 9s are 45, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7. When you will make the pair of the equal factors 2 and 2, you can make the pair of 2. 7 and 7, you can make the pair of 7, but 5 is remaining. So to make the pair of 5, you have to multiply it by 5. So the correct option is B. Next question, question number 12. For every natural number n plus 1 square minus n square is equals to. अभी आपने यूज़ भी की है ये कंडीशन, n plus 1 का होल स्क्वायर माइनस n स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू, b स्क्वायर कर देते हैं, n plus 1 plus n, right? n plus 1 plus n, this one. So option D is correct. So students, with this question, now your exercise 3A is completed. Practice as much as possible. Thank you. Have a good day.